Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload images and photos in your chats and conversations on Duck.ai, for example, to request from the artificial intelligence to analyze the given image, to describe what is being depicted on it or what is depicted on it, and to include it into your conversations. So let us guide you through it, guys. So navigate to Duck.ai, for example via DuckDuckGo or any other web browser, and there are two options how you can handle images here on Duck.ai. There is that new image chat here in the top left corner. Expand the sidebar to access it. That is going to give you the opportunity to ask Duck.ai to create images. However, guys, if you already have an image, for example, saved in JPEG or PNG file format on your device, you may navigate to the new text chat here or to an already existing chat and scroll to the very bottom. Use that text field here to enter your prompt and click into wait, there's a typo, just a second, and use that paperclip icon below to attach the photo or image in JPEG and PNG file format. So let me do that for the sake of this tutorial. Now I haven't prepared any, so you will need to attach it here, guys, and press enter to send the prompt, and after that Duck.ai will provide you with information about it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.